Hey guys, Ben with IncomeOptionsTrading here on Thursday, February 20th. Hope you guys are doing well. I ended today up 175, very similar to yesterday. Yesterday I had a stop out on my iron condor on the call side, and today I have a stop out on the put side. So VIX was up overnight, so I put on my regular iron condor, 50 wide on both the put and call side. I target 175 on the short put and 125 on the short call. Stop at 5x the credit received, and I got stopped out within about 20 minutes. Got stopped out here on a pretty violent opening move, and the market did bounce back here. It bounced off 60.85, and so I was watching today, and I noticed we bounced off a little bit here, and then we came above the 40 EMA again. So I decided to sell some extra put spreads from what I would typically do. So at 11:30, I put on a short put spread, targeted 150-ish in credit, and on just the short put, and I got to the 60.75 strike. That one I was going to close on a breach, and the market did fall over a little bit, but we never really came close to the 60.85 again. So 12:30, I just had my option omega bot for that one. If we look at the 5 EMA, we were below the 40 EMA, so my bot did not trigger. I did not place a trade either. But then I put another trade on just after 1 o'clock, or just before 1 o'clock, when the 5 EMA had, and this is the 10 EMA off the 80 EMA, but the 10 EMA off the 80 EMA bounced a little bit, and so I put on another short put, similar to the last one. That one got me to 60.85, which was kind of the support back here. So I felt pretty confident on that, as long as we hugged the 80 EMA line here. And then at around 1:30, after this other dip, as we headed towards the trend line here, I put another one on, or another couple on, at 60.90. And again, all these I would have closed if we would have breached. Would have been a bigger loss than normal, but I felt fairly confident, which can be a little scary. But I'm a little bit riskier. I'm trying to get better at sticking to my trade plan. Sticking to it where I'm trading short put spreads when the trend is up. Today, even though we had a violent down move, and violent, I mean, relatively speaking, we got down to close to 1%. It wasn't too crazy, but it could have been a lot worse. But once we stabilized here, I thought we were in the clear, and if not, I mean, that's all part of trading. So, and also with the back testing my trade plan, I always do 12:30 and 1:30. But with back testing, you can play with the times a little bit, and the back test shouldn't be dependent on the exact time. If I do something at 12:30, but the back test for 12:35 is extremely different, then that's an oddity. But if you look at it, the trend for all these times is profitable. It's just how much. And I'm not too concerned about the how much, just that the trend is up, because the previous results don't predict future results. So I decided to put on a little bit more than I normally do. I thought we would bounce off here, and we did. And from basically 11 o'clock on, we went on an uptrend. So ended today up 175, feeling pretty good. Going into Friday, we'll try to stick to the plan. If the VIX opens up, I'll put on my regular iron condor. If VIX opens down, I'll do a reverse iron fly, and then I'll look to do my afternoon short put spreads as normal. So that's what tomorrow brings before the weekend. I hope you guys had a good trading day today, and see you guys tomorrow.